What happens a lot of times in the operating room, though, is the resident actually is sewing, and he or she says, okay, tie a knot. So what you have to do is you're going to have to look at it, assess it, and say, okay, whoa, Nelly, get your guns up. Up. The suture, the needle driver is on this hand, so I'm going to have to do all the work with the other hand. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to be very confused. You're going to have to assess and say, whoa, I'm going to have to put this on the bottom. So the rule of thumb is that the needle driver has to be on top if you're going to cross ahead of time. Okay, so now that you've fixed that, it's better to fix it before you embarrass yourself. You're going to say, okay, I'm going to lay it on top of here. So you're going to say, whoa, Nelly, get your guns up, lay it down. See how you've made an X? Okay, flip your wrist, pinch it, flip it back, lay it down. Now you're going to do your thumb from the outside in, not from the inside out, but from the outside in. You're going to lay it down, pinch it, flip it, and there you go. Now you are going to have to cross your hands in order to lay it flat, and that's a very important thing. Now you're ready to go again. There's your, get your guns up. Oops, see, I did the wrong one. Since you saw me make a mistake with that last one, I want to show you some common mistakes. One of the common mistakes is to go in, come out and lay it down here, and then you have nothing crossed. So now what you're going to have to do is either go ahead and cross it, so you can do the regular thing, or you can leave it uncrossed, but when you do get your guns up, you're going to say, oh, I didn't cross it. No problem. You're just going to have to cross your hands a little bit more. Okay? So that's a common thing. The other thing that happens a lot is that when we say, okay, and pinch it, so, you know, whoa, Nelly, get your guns up, lay it down, okay, people try to hand this down here, and really what you want to do is you want to pinch it, flip it, okay, flip it, pinch it, flip it, back, and you want to do it sharply. Very important.